Hello guys, so today new word is Burgeon. B-U-R-G-E-O-N, Burgeon. Burgeon simply means begin to grow or increase rapidly and flourish. Begin to grow or increase rapidly and flourish. So what are the synonyms for burgeon? There are grow rapidly, increase rapidly, exponentially, expand, and spring up. So give a few antonyms for burgeon. There are decline, decrease, shrink, lessen, diminish. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number one, the city suburb has burgeoned, sprawling out of the center. The city suburb has burgeoned, sprawling out of the center. Number two, a company's business is burgeoning now. A company's business is burgeoning now. Number three, the result has been burgeoning budget surplus. The result has been burgeoning budget surplus. Number four, she's burgeoning into a fine dark dress. She's burgeoning into a fine dark dress. Number five, love burgeon between them. Love burgeon between them. I hope you have learned a new word. Congratulations.